Hello, welcome to another video, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Asus 3060 GPU. So here we have 3060 on the box, and let's have a closer look here. This is the overclock edition with 12 gigs of GDDR6 memory, and it supports the latest PCI Express 4. It's part of the Nvidia MP architecture with ray tracing and DLSS. Moving to the back of the box, here we have some extra details about the graphics card itself. So this graphics card uses an axial tech fan design. There's some details regarding what it exactly means. And it has a subtle lighting, LED lightings, and there's a software to overclock. It has 4 display outputs. This is a 2-fan design. Alright, so now let's begin unboxing. Alright, let's open up the In Search of Incredible box here. And here is the graphics card. It looks really small. It's a 2-fan design. It's really compact. It's not that heavy either. So here we have a speed setup guide, some instructions on how to set the graphics card up, and this is some information regarding dual mini series. I don't know what this is, and this is a thank you card, and here is a close-up view of the card in the box. Alright, let's go ahead and remove the graphics card off this. Wow, I'm really amazed at how small this graphics card is. It has really good performance for this small size. It's really incredible. This is a 2-fan design with a very small heatsink. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these covers here. There's this HDMI, a display port, and second display port, and a third display port. So it has 4 display outputs. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cover at the bottom here. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the other plastic coverings on the graphics card. So the back plate is really nice. It has a really nice, interesting design, a striped design. Coming to the front, we have these 2 fans, and the heatsink is really small, and it allows heat to escape from the side as well. And here are the 4 heat transfer pipes coming out from where the chip is. And here is the 8-pin power input. I'm going to go ahead and install the graphics card into my X570 gaming motherboard. I just checked that the lock here is open, and I'm going to carefully insert the graphics card into the PCI X16 slot. The graphics card is very small, and I don't have any trouble sending it underneath the CPU power cable. There, the graphics card is nicely seated. And next I'll be installing the nails and securing the graphics card onto the computer case. Final step is to install the 8-pin power input. And this is how the graphics card looks like in my computer. Alright, the power is turned on and the graphics card lights up. It doesn't have a big LED light though. For those of you who really need those big fancy lights, this is kind of a disappointment. It has a really subtle light. So here is my 4K Samsung monitor, and I'm going to show you guys that the graphics card is running at its default values. I haven't overclocked anything here. so that I can get a fair score at the end of the benchmarking. And next I'm going to run the 3D benchmarking. The benchmark is going to take some time, so I'm not going to include the whole benchmarking test in the video, and I'll be jumping straight to the results. So the benchmarking is done and the results are here. An average 3060 graphics card scored 16,670 points, and the Asus 3060 scored 17,787 points, which is more than an average 3060. Alright guys, this comes to the end of the video. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.